Hello everyone, my name is Aryan Kapadia and you're watching History for Kids. Today we're going to learn about the P-38 Lightning. Here's some specifications of the P-38. Its manufacturer is Lockheed Corporation. Its engine is two Allison V1710 V12 liquid-cooled turbo supercharged piston engine. Its range is 1,300 miles, and its weight is 12,800 pounds. It was in the late 1930s to the early 1940s. So basically 1939 to 1943. And then its first flight was on January 27th, 1939. There's some facts and history about Lightning. The first unit to receive P-38s was the first fighter group. After the attack on Pearl Harbor, the unit joined the 14th Pursuit Group in San Diego to provide West Coast defense. On 29th May 1942, 25 P-38s began operating in the Aleutian Islands in Alaska. The P-38 was used most extensively and successfully in the Pacific theater, where it proved more suited, combining exceptional range with the reliability of two engines for long mission over water. Its ammunition type are two Hispano M2 20mm cannon with 150 rounds, four M2 Browning machine gun, which is .50 inch machine guns with 500 RPG, and four M10 32 4.5 inch M8 rocket launchers. It can also carry varieties of bombs and rockets. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.